Hello guys, welcome to Coders Tutorials, and today I'll be showing you how you can create a Hello World web page. So in order to create a web page, you can either use an editor, for example Notepad, Notepad++, or any text editor you like. In my case, or if you want to use it, is Sublime. It's free to download and it basically helps you to understand all the tags, and it will show you all the tags. So in order to create a web page, the first thing you have to do is create a file. In this case, file, new file, and let's name it hello world.html. So as you can see, I have created a file with an extension called .html. So .html is really important when you want to run the file as a web page. If you don't save the file as .html and it's saved as .text or other extensions, then whenever you try to open it on a browser anywhere, it doesn't work. So if you save the file as .html and whenever you open from your folders, it should open a web page for you. So let's save it and start. Yep, there you go. So basically HTML have tags. So the most important or the parent tag is HTML tag itself. A tag is basically this. You have an opening tag and a closing tag, and just remember, it is important to always close a tag. There are few tags which you don't close, but so in this case a closing tag is pretty simple. It's the same tag name but with an slash. So the second step is we'll add more tags which are important. So in this case is head and body. So as you can see from the names, head goes basically in head and body is where you display the content. You can still display content in head, but that's not good practice. So you should always add the content if you want to show to the user. Never add any content which can be shown to user in a header. So in head, we usually just add CSS file, JavaScripts, and things like this. But in body, we just show them all the files. We can still add CSS files and things, but it's, again, best practice to keep things in head and keep the content in body. So let's create a title. In this case, we'll create hello world and save it. And to save, I'm just pressing Command S on Mac, and in Windows it should be Control S. And if you're not used to shortkeys, you can still save the file by file on the left corner and just click save. So let's see how the results are. Okay. Yeah, so as you can see, basically the title is Hello World and the file name is helloworld.html, what we just created, and as you can see the extension is also .html. Now let's add some content. So we can add a paragraph. First app. Save it and refresh. There you go. So content is added. Okay, so what I did here is in body we can use multiple other tags, which in this case I'm using paragraph. You can use many other, but you'll learn them as you go through HTML tutorials. But right now, just get a basic idea that if you open the tag, whatever goes inside, and then you close the tag, is affected by what tag you're assigning it to. So for example, if I create a tag called h1, and then close it and just say heading 1. So H itself stands for heading, and H1 is the biggest or the largest size heading. So if I save that one now and we just refresh, there you go. You can see heading 1 has a different effect than this. The reason is this text is inside paragraph and heading 1 is inside H1. So that's why it's really important whatever you put inside a tag is affected by the properties of that tag. So guys, hopefully you liked our video of helloworld.html. Please visit our website coderstutorial.com to get more ideas, more tag references, or any, if you want to copy paste the code, is still on the website. Please follow our channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest upgrades, and we'll keep posting more videos for HTML. Thank you.